specializes in precast reinforced concrete. They produced their first box culvert in 1974 and have been doing so successfully ever since. The speed is impressive. More than 40 pieces are produced daily in a single plant. The speed of installation is also remarkable.
Hey, I'm back. I want to look at some construction developments or just construction technologies. The latest developments in construction technologies. I haven't looked at this in a while. I think I've had like 2 reactions to some construction invention videos a while back. So I wanted to go back down that route again. I find these really interesting. So I'm not going to ramble on too much. Without further ado.
With their logic, they offer a wide range of options from standard to custom made. Want something simpler? No problem. You can buy a standard 3.5 by 2 meter galvanized steel balcony. Need a combination of lightness and compactness? No worries. An aluminium option is at your service. Want a unique balcony? Choose the railing, roof and other details yourself. Just like play.
I like how that he makes it sound like it's custom, but I like this option, or I like this, I guess whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's an option. They all look the same. Maybe they can customize. I like the fact that you can pick balconies. They don't say the cost, so I'm assuming it's going to cost a lot, especially with today's housing anyway. I'm wondering how many of these. Well, yeah, I guess you can sell people who already have a lot of equity in their condo or home.
Umaga specialists are even ready to take on a project from scratch, building a balcony where there wasn't one before, provided the law allows it, of course.
It's interesting how the digital composite or the digital images always look really, really sleek and neat compared to, I'm not going to say all the time, but they really make you look like, yeah, I want to buy that now. And you hope that it's not like something you ordered from Wish. Did I say that? Wish?
Example for low-rise buildings, balconies can be built on their own supporting elements that are connected to the ground. This cladding system has been used in the UK for over 20 years, but other countries also gladly use it, if only because it speeds up the job 5 to 6 times. The idea is simple. First, steel profiles are installed and then trunker tiles are added to give the appearance of brick or stone. There are many advantages. For example, single tiles can be easily removed in case of defects. Also, there is a lighter version of the profiles for wooden frames. The maximum length of the tile is approximately 33 centimeters. The width is 21.5 centimeters, and the thickness is 32 millimeters. A standard profile is about 2.4 meters long, and both the tiles and the profiles can be made to order depending on the needs of each project.
Okay, that's pretty neat. I didn't know that you could have a cosmetic looking brick layered wall, or at first it looked like a fireplace. But that's really neat. I'm wondering how much skill it would take me to go the DIY route. Just thinking, now my head's spinning. This looks like something I want to do.
Another simple but effective product used in many structures is soft formwork. Its creators claim to have come up with a revolutionary format that is even cooler than cardboard, thanks to the woven high-density polyethylene. The material resists water and moisture, is easy to cut, comes in compact rolls and is cheaper than its cardboard counterpart. Plus, once the concrete is poured inside, the formwork can be left in place for as long as needed, as it will not stick. It comes in 15-metre and 30-metre rolls for columns of various diameters, and is manufactured in Canada. The only negative aspect is the unavailability of the formwork on Amazon, according to the complaints of some buyers.
I wonder why it's not available on Amazon. I wonder why. My not concern, but one question I have. He mentioned cardboard earlier. You know, with a lot of the issues when it comes to a house catching fire or that type of thing, or even if it's like arson, I think it looks like a lot of houses are made of cardboard, so it seems like they would burn fairly easily. Nowadays, it looks like they just throw up cardboard and charge $500,000 for it, which is a whole other video. But this looks like it wouldn't be flammable. I don't know. It looks like it would release a lot of poisonous gas, though, if it caught on fire.
Here's another formwork option. According to the designers, this one is suitable for almost any floor or roof structure, and is compatible with practically all types of walls made with ordinary concrete slabs. Two options are available. ECAP, for low-rise residential buildings, performs at 2.4 meters long, which speeds up construction, and PRO, for commercial buildings. It uses 61 centimeter long forms, making it easy to create even the most unusual configurations. A cost-effective and environmentally friendly construction system that is helping to revolutionize modern construction, says the company. And as a bonus, it offers good sound insulation and resistance to natural disasters.
I'm not sure what type of it's that. It looks like styrofoam, but I'm not clear on the material that's made of. They didn't elaborate. It looks like a bunch of styrofoam, and but maybe it's not. Maybe, of course, it's probably been treated somehow. Just out of curiosity, I wonder how soundproof is it?
Naturally, high-quality ventilation is essential for large-scale projects. Hotels, shopping, office centres, schools and industrial buildings can benefit from the use of these duct fans. The K-Series models provide airflow from 180 to 1,730 cubic meters per hour, and are equipped with EC motors that are cost-efficient and easy to control. The casing is made of galvanized sheet steel, and the fans can be installed outdoors if the air ducts are connected on both sides. Special FK clamps are effective against vibration and simplify installation. The price for the K100 model, which can operate at air temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius, is approximately $438.
With that, I wasn't clear in regards to how much material you get for that $438. That could add up depending on how big your house is or your place is.
In addition to ventilation, drainage is also essential. After all, who wants puddles in the entrance of a shopping centre or hospital? These workers are installing combined drainage systems made of recycled material. It's elastic, easy to cut, and with zero water absorption. In addition, they can withstand temperatures from -50 to +80 degrees Celsius, and is resistant to salt, oils, fuel, and UV rays. The gutter and grate come pre-assembled, so builders just need to install everything neatly. The job can be easily done, even by one person. A 100 by 16 by 15 centimeter gutter weighs 5.5 kilograms, and when it's time for replacement, the gutters can be recycled.
Now this is perfect for drainage, especially if you live out in the boonies. I think it would be hard to redo a street or place that's already had a drainage system set up, but this would really work in countries that are still emerging, that don't have a solid drainage infrastructure, this looks like an affordable option. I don't know, logistics and installation and all those other things have to be worked out, of course. But just looking at it right now at face value, it seems like a really affordable and, like you said, recyclable option.
Let's visit the company Hancock from the US. It specializes in precast reinforced concrete. They produced their first box culverts in 1974 and have been doing so successfully ever since. The speed is impressive. More than 40 pieces are produced daily at a single plant. The speed of installation is also remarkable. The 4.3 metre span project featured in the video was completed in less than 2 days. According to the company, this option offers strength and durability, as well as cost savings, and the sizes can be very flexible. For example, there are compact blocks of 1.8 by 1.2 metres, medium ones of 3 by 2.4 metres, and big ones of 4.9 by 3.6 metres.
This looks really good. Like, there are so many ideas that you could implement with this. My question with this, though, I didn't see them, they put them close together, and I saw him kind of hammering them together, kind of like a giant staple. But my question is, how do you seal things, right? Because they're kind of pushed really close together. Is there a sealant that's put in between them? I would assume so. I would hope so, or something, because cracks can form, or even water, depending on the temperature of the place, ice can get in between there. So it's just something that crossed my mind. I also wondered, could you build those train tunnels with this same idea? I wonder if you could or not. It looks like you could, but it looks like it would have to be shaped differently. But this is a great idea to speed up construction. Again, especially in a lot of the developing nations, I think this would work a lot better because you have more opportunity to build from scratch. Whereas a place that's been around a long time, like New York or Chicago, it's a lot of tearing up you have to do.
Let's take a look at Kammer, another American company that's certainly familiar to many renovation enthusiasts. The company specializes in tools and fasteners, and it's the latter that made it into today's selection. In particular, they have several hidden deck clip options. As usual, the difference is in the details. Caro Edgex metal are clips from grooved wood, composites and PVC deckboard installations, and metal joists that are 88% stronger than competition, and Caro Edgex are more or less the same, but for wood framing, including wood treated with antiseptic or other compounds to the core. The plastic, of course, has UV protection, and the Protec coating is designed to protect the screws from corrosion. The price for a pack of 900 pieces is $409.
Yeah, this looks like it's something for a contractor, and not a DIY person who's doing it on their home, because this one pack is 400 and change. It looks like really useful for a contractor. I mean, I guess you could if you had the money. I'm gonna stop here. I think I've rambled on enough, and some of you probably get bored with this type of topic. Then again, would you even start it? Anyway, thanks for listening. Take a time out to let me know what you think. Maybe you could use it for whatever projects you're starting. Again, thanks for your time.